Tesla continues to dominate the electric sedan market, and the 2026 Model 3 shows exactly why. This is the EV that changed everything, now better than ever. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down what makes the latest Model 3 a standout choice in the increasingly crowded electric vehicle segment. Design. The Model 3's design language remains beautifully minimalist and purposeful. Every curb and line serves aerodynamic efficiency, helping maximize range and performance. The flush door handles and smooth underbody create a sleek, modern appearance. Updated exterior colors and wheel options provide personalization. Inside, the cabin feels spacious and premium with high-quality materials throughout. The signature floating touchscreen dominates the dashboard, while the panoramic glass roof creates an open, airy feeling that passengers love. Performance. Electric performance is where the Model 3 truly excels. Instant torque delivery provides exhilarating acceleration that makes every drive engaging. The low-mounted battery pack creates a planted feel through corners with minimal body roll. Range figures continue improving, easily handling daily commutes and weekend trips. The regenerative braking system feels natural and smooth, helping extend range while reducing brake wear. Multiple motor configurations offer choices from efficient to performance-focused. Features and technology. The centerpiece touchscreen controls virtually everything intuitively. Autopilot features provide advanced assistance for safer highway driving. Over-the-air updates continuously improve functionality and add features. The premium sound system delivers impressive audio quality throughout the cabin. Conclusion. That's the 2026 Tesla Model 3. Your next EV? Let us know below. Found this helpful? Hit like, share with anyone considering electric, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive reviews. Catch you next time.